Everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem shop product is not showing. So there is a basic solution of that. Basically, you have to go to the Play Store, you have to search for TikTok application and make sure it is updated. Then you can tap and hold the TikTok application. Okay, and there will be app info button. Here it is, just tap on it. This type of interface will be shown here. Just go to the storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache and you have to check it if there is any chance. If it doesn't work, you have to clear the storage, but before it you have to remember the username and password, otherwise don't clear the storage. After that you have to check that out, and still you don't find it, you have to uninstall it and reinstall it. And still after doing all this thing you are not getting any solution, probably you have to report to the help center. So you can just go to the profile, then three dot button from the top right corner, then settings and privacy. Then you can get the report a problem option. You can take a screenshot of that particular problem and you can easily report directly to TikTok customer service, and hopefully there will be a solution. You can see the interface has been submitted. Here you can see that submit a report at the bottom portion. Tap on it, and from here you can write your problem and you can upload your screenshot. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.